For best results, follow and listen to all upcoming videos in this 21 days series and stay committed to your growth. Let's begin our day 5. Close your eyes. Take a slow, deep breathe in and gently exhale. Again, take a slow, deep breathe in and gently exhale. Let your body relax. Let your mind become quiet. You are safe. You are enough. Today, we align your self-worth with wealth. Now, gently listen or repeat these affirmations in your mind. My self-worth is not measured by my past. My self-worth is not measured by my bank balance. I am valuable simply because I exist. I deserve financial abundance. I deserve comfort, freedom, and stability. I deserve to live a life of ease. The more I value myself, the more money I allow into my life. My income reflects how deeply I respect myself. I release the belief that I must struggle to deserve wealth. I release the belief that wanting more is selfish. It is safe to want a better life. I honor my skills. I honor my time. I honor my energy. I am allowed to be well paid for what I do. I am allowed to receive more than enough. I am allowed to grow beyond my old limits. I no longer shrink myself. I no longer doubt my worth. I stand confidently in my value. Money responds to self respect. Money responds to confidence. Money responds to belief. I choose to believe I am worthy of financial success. I choose to believe I deserve overflow. I choose to believe I am enough. I forgive myself for undervaluing my worth in the past. I am learning. I am growing. I am becoming stronger every day. I deserve opportunities that match my value. I deserve income that match my efforts. I deserve life that reflects my inner worth. I respect myself. I believe in myself. I stand tall in my value. Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. Feel this confidence inside you. This is the energy that attracts wealth. I am worthy of abundance. I am worthy of success. I am worthy of wealthy life.